What started out as displaying my Playmates Toys Ninja Turtles retro reissues by thumbtacking them onto the wall, as I quickly grew my collection finding the new reissues, I was faced with a dilemma on how to display all of them. I mean, all of them, being that I don't have any more room in my nerd room to display them. So being the very creative person that I am, and equipped with a 3D printer, Photoshop skills, and some basic 3D modeling skills, I made this space to display all of my retro Ninja Turtle action figures, to include fire escape shelves with ladders, and a rooftop ledge with a 10-story brick building wallpaper and a nighttime city skyline background on top of the roof.